Hello guys. Today we are going to react to a song from the movie July, O Madhu, O Madhu. I have seen this movie and we are going to tell about something about this after the song reaction has been done. So without further ado, I'm just going to jump right into it. But before starting the video, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon so you never miss any updates from me. Listen to Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and description below if you want to comment on something, suggest me something, give me any feedback. I would love to hear from you guys. So without further ado, let's start. Whoa, it's ads, man. Nice animation, man. Nice animation. Oh, sorry. If I'm not mistaken, it is like Adnan Sami in this who is singing the song. Leela Dicruz is really cute in this particular song. Because this is the part where she didn't change her personality in a modern jeans or something like that. This is before that she was wearing actually a curtain clothes, something like that, and people are making fun of her. Oh yeah, by the way, this has actually been suggested to me by Rishit. Thank you for suggesting. Come on, yeah, she's so cute, man. Allu Arjun is dancing and he's enjoying, but mostly it is like Leela Dicruz who steals the show with her cuteness. He's trying to impress her, but some way all this nonsense things and idiotic things which he's trying to do, which makes her look more cute actually. It's a very chill pill song actually. That's good. How it is? Now come on. Wow. So this is the song where he tries to modify her with all the new styles and clothes and modern look. Nice. Ah. Look at her style now. You like looking at her more now. But I even liked the last one actually. She was cute. Is this Bombay or no, Dubai? Okay. Nice. Yeah, she's cute. Actually, she's cute. Yeah. Yes. This particular song was actually dedicated totally towards Madhu. That is the name of the character of Leela Dicruz. I have seen the movie, as I have told you. This is like a movie which is one of my favorite movies of all time. In the Hindi version, it is named as Dangerous Khiladi. And it's just like the way he thinks, the logical thinking, and how he catches the criminal is absolutely amazing. It's also starring Sonu Sood in a negative character, and this is Allu Arjun, Leela Dicruz. The whole movie is actually amazing, and you would love how the way it goes. you won't even think that it's getting boring or something like that. The whole movie catches you in the grip and keeps you entertained each and every second. I love this movie to the core. even the dialogues. I have seen 2 to 3 songs, and this is the third one actually. It's amazing. It's amazing. This one which he dances with Leonardo DiCaprio, that's also good. July title song, he has done amazingly fantastic job while dancing with other crews actually. Amazing, superb. And this is Om Madhu, the sweet little song which he transforms Leonardo DiCaprio from wearing curtain-like clothes to a modern day style and everything. That's really amazing. So this was the reaction, and the steps of Allu Arjun. It is not that great. It is somewhat like Chill Pill song, which was actually a Run song from Indira Malaya, if I'm saying it properly. And every time I say that word, I have to like go up and come down, and it is really not able. I'm really not able to say that word even now. So yes, about this July, as I said, it was a Chill Pill song, and it was actually one of the songs in between when he meets Leonardo DiCaprio on the bus stop actually, and they start to chat and talk, and he gets impressed by this, but he is understanding that he doesn't have any sort of thing to understand what's actually going on with her, and how she should transform herself and this and all that. So because of this song, I guess he transformed her to like, as I said, the curtain-like dress to modern day girl. So it's nice, it's good. If you see the movie in the Tamil version, you might be able to like this song, because the way the whole movie is going, you'll be able to understand how things are progressing. And I don't think any of the songs have been put in that unnecessarily. Each and every song which has been put inside it or inserted in between, like, it's absolutely necessary how the storyline progresses it. Say July title song, it is necessary for that, and the way to impress people, how this Allu Arjun started his career with the dancing technique and everything, and he actually goes to Dhaba, and there he started the July title song. So like afterwards the romance starts between Leonardo DiCaprio. They actually this is the first how they meet, and how the love story progresses, and then the main song Itina something like that. I'm really sorry, I just forgot what the name of the song is. But as I told you the tune, I just sang the tune. That was the tune. So this was the reaction. I hope you liked it, and I would like to request you to give a big thumbs up this particular video for the love of Allu Arjun and his dance, and so that I get inspired and motivated to do more reaction videos for you guys. Also, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon so you never miss any updates from me. Links in the Instagram, Twitter and Facebook and description below. If you want to comment on something, suggest me something, give me the feedback, I would love to hear from you guys too.
So guys, this is the timetable of the whole weekend, which is going to be happening from Monday to Sunday. And I'm not sure that I'll be able to keep up to this, but I'll try as much as possible, because it will be entertaining to react to different kind of things. At same point of time, you'll be able to know at what point of time what's going to come. So that's the reason I have dedicated each day to everything. At sharp 8 p.m. you'll be able to receive this. That's on Monday, and on Thursday there will be some reaction. Tuesday and Friday it will be comedy reaction, comedy routine or comedy scene or whatever. And on Wednesday there will be a fighting scene or a normal scene from any movie. It will be Hollywood, Bollywood or Telugu or Malayalam or Kannada, anything. So this will be the thing, and I hope you'll be able to enjoy yourself with my reaction channel, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Do like this video if you really like, because I get motivation from your like. Thank you so much.
Until next reaction, next video, next review, I will take you. Stay connected.